Hey y'all, right in this video, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to prime my eyes with that and blend it out. The reason I'm taking a regular neutral shade is because I'm not really using a bright shade because I'm not using bright colors. This is just a natural look, so I want it to be as natural looking as possible. So I'm just going to blend that out and then set it with some banana powder from Makeup Revolution. I am now taking the Juvia's Place Single Shadow in the shade Lala, and I'm just going to pop that into my inner corners. Now I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner, and I'm just going to make a wing on my eye. Not a huge wing because it's not that dramatic, but I do want to look like a baddie, so you know what I'm saying. I'm just going to do a small little wing. And then, as you can see, I'm trying to perfect it, make it look as good as possible, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing the same thing to my other eye. And then I'm going to take the Carity matte palette and I'm going to mattify the eyeliner because this eyeliner has a glossy finish, so I want to make sure it's nice and matte. I don't really like that shiny finish. For lashes, I'm going to take the Flawless Ambitions lashes, and this is in the style Chiro. And these are my favorite lashes, guys. This brand is underrated. They have some nice, beautiful lashes, so check them out. And if you want, use my code Jolie for money off your purchase. But these are my all-time favorite lashes, guys, and I suggest you hop on, just hop on and get these lashes because they are beautiful. They make any makeup look so pretty. I love them. And right here, I'm excited, guys, because this is my first time purchasing something from Milk Makeup, and I got the Hydro Grip Primer. And guys, I was so excited because I got a lot of good reviews. I've seen a lot of good reviews on this primer, but this one it would not pump out. I was so frustrated, like it wouldn't pump out. I was so mad because I ran out of primer and I had ordered this from their website and it just wouldn't pump out. So I was just like, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. Primer Mist, and then I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Burkina foundation and apply that all over my face. But again, back to that primer, like I was so mad because I got the mini one, thank God. It was cheaper than the full size one. But I'm going to return it for a new one because it wouldn't pump out. I wouldn't get any product because it wasn't like squeezing out. So it is what it is. I'm going to return it and get a new one. But you see me blending in my foundation with this brush. And that's basically all I'm doing. Just pat that into my skin. And I love this foundation, guys. It has a flawless full coverage finish and it's just amazing. To conceal my under eye and down my nose, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes and down my nose. I'm not doing my forehead and my chin. I used to do that, but I don't really like that look anymore. So just under my eyes and down my nose. And I'm going to take my Real Technique setting brush and blend that all in. I'm going back in with the banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to set under my eyes and down my nose, basically everywhere where I highlighted. I'm taking the Lorac Porefessional powder in the shade PF6, and I believe this is, they don't sell this anymore because it's old. I had this for like 2 years, guys. It's probably expired, but it is what it is. This is like the only good powder that matches my skin. So, I mean, if you have any pressed powder suggestions, please let me know in the comments. But I'm going to set my face with the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Make sure my face is nice and matte, set, and in place. And then for a highlight, I'm going to take my Gerard Cosmetics highlight in the shade Dorothy. This is a nice golden highlight, perfect for my skin tone, perfect for brown skin women, especially. And I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones in the middle of my nose. The last step, I'm going to take my ColourPop So Juicy lip gloss, and I forget what shade it is, but I'm going to let you know in the comments. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lips, guys. And this is just such a natural lip gloss. Just makes your lips look nice and plump and glossy and makes them look moisturized. I love this lip gloss, guys. And they're $7 on ColourPop, so they're really, really nice and affordable. And I love them, and they make your lips feel so good. Like, it has that like kind of tingly feeling when you apply it. I love it, guys. Let me know if you have some of these lip glosses because I love them. Let me know how you feel about them. And y'all, that is the end of this video. So if you liked it, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 2,700 subscribers. And also leave a comment what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? And also leave some suggestions. I'll be sure to get back to you on those suggestions. That's all I have to say. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.